Hello, Doc. How's it been? Yeah, it's weird that I'm calling just 5 minutes after our session and you finally picked up my call. Oh, what? Talk to your assistant? You're on vacation. Oh, wait, hold on, don't hang up. I just really need to get something off my chest, and I think you need to know this going into our next session. I think I have a phone addiction. Hello? Doc? You still there? Doc?
The number you have dialed is not reachable.
That bitch! It's that time of the year where I realize I'm too invested in my phone. So much so that it makes me want to just put some distance between us. But like everyone else, I get separation anxiety. And I came to a realization that it's gonna be with me forever. Although I hate it, I can't get it away from me. So I might as well make it pretty. Maybe I'll hate it a bit less. So it's time to commence Operation Doll It Up. But of course, before we make it all pretty, we have to come up with a design first. For this, I went on Pinterest and find some references that I really liked. And we have a winner. So now we're just sketching it on a piece of paper as closely to the reference as possible and add up some more artistic flair into it. Next, we're going to transfer it onto our case. I'm using the tracing method where I use a pencil to color the back and then cut the piece out. I line it up to the back of my phone and make sure I'm happy with the placement of the picture and use some masking tape to tape the picture in place so that it doesn't move as I'm tracing it on. So I got the transfer done, and this time the paint medium would be acrylic paint because it sticks well. But first, we need to get some paint juice. Whoa, almost forgot. We need to get on our professional apron. And time to paint. Oh yeah. With our professional apron on, paint just goes on more smoothly. The base colors are always the most boring part, but then when done well, it affects the overall painting so much, so make sure to get those clean lines. And this is probably my least favorite part of painting this whole thing, which is the umbrella. It's just so tiny. And although it's tiny, it's more harder to paint small things that are somewhat more detailed than the rest of the painting. So I struggle with this a bit, and I don't think I did that clean of a job, but cover it up with some shadows and poof, nobody notices, except for me of course. Once I get the character done, I move on to the environment and get the greens down. Then wait for it to dry. Just wait, and wait, and wait. Oh yeah, once it's dry, that's my favorite part, adding the details. Now this really brings it to life cause now you can tell that it's actually grass and not just green, weirdly shaped things. And I'm just eyeballing it, getting a feel for it, just randomly adding flowers here, some over there. Make sure it's in a scattered random pattern and not evenly distributed because even things just look a bit weird. Now for the last step, I decided to go for a white line to outline my character to just make it that's the end of coloring. So now we just need to seal everything in with a nice coat of spray paint. But there's a problem. I don't have the spray paint now, so I have to go out and buy it, and it's raining. Jinx, the store turned out to be closed for the day, and it was like only 6 p.m. So I tried again the next day. And we found our spray paint. Time to spray. Throughout this journey, it made me realize that I'm still addicted to my phone, but I hate it less now. It's time for the final reveal. Enjoy and see you next week.
Steady praying for my brothers like a wish list. And I trust a soul, they gon' tell you to pray. Damn, there's so much going on in this world we call our home. They've been looting and protesting.